Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the new and latest designs and homemade crafts, especially for you and your upcoming Christmas event. Christmas decoration and craft is not just a homemade design, but you can use and start your own business. When a business invests in handmade and creative decoration, it's a signal and a thoughtfulness. Customer don't just a store, they feel connection, they emotionally attached and bound with your loyalty and visit repeatedly and share with positive reviews. In simple words, another hidden benefits of Christmas craft decoration is community support. Many business source handmade items from local artisans. The collaboration not only gives shops unique piece but also strength ties with the community. Customers love knowing that their favorite cafe and boutique and support local talent. It gives them one more reason to shop there instead of generic chain store, and in return local artisan often promote the business that showcase their work. They create a powerful cycle of growth where everyone benefits. Let's not forget the role of social media in today. A well decorated business is basically a stage for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook posts. People love capturing photos, is festive spaces. If your business is decorated with a unique handmade, instantly more shareable. The free publicity build your online presence. It also strengthens your branding. A business that put efforts into creative decoration show attention is detail, innovation, and care. These values reflect in the way customer perceive your brand, not just for Christmas but year round. Now let's talk about sales. Decoration do more than look pretty. They can guide customer behavior. For example, a shop can place handmade that naturally draw the eye and encourage purchase. So viewers, hope you like the video. If you like this video, so please must subscribe our channel and share the video with your friend and family. For more tutorials you can visit our channel. There is lots of article and design decoration homemade for your reference.